Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 VIP, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and localize App Management and tap on it. Then let's go to App List, which is at the top, and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications or any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so just tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.